Okay, here's a couple questions with acid bases. What's the pH of a 3.6 molar solution of perchloric acid? Interesting. Yeah, this is the answer I would get. Yeah, if you have an acidic solution, and that's very acidic solutions would be closer to 0 than 14. So there must be something wrong with the answer to the question. Because if it's a very acidic like that, perchloric acid, 0.56 is a much better pH than 14. This would be very basic. So I think you're right. Next question. Dissolved water to get until the pH is that. Hydroxide of the concentration is. So now here, this is a good point. So there's 2 hydroxide ions when you dissociate that. But your formula, when you go hydroxide ions is equal to, with this number here, you have to first change that to a POH. So go 14 minus 10.81. So that'll give you, 3.19? Hopefully that's right. So that's your POH. And then you put it into here, 10 to the negative POH. So it's 10 to the negative 3.19. Figure that out, and that'll give you the hydroxide ion concentration. Now, if you're wanting to figure out the concentration of calcium hydroxide, that would be a different question. You'd have to, and they didn't ask that in the question, but you're right that when you dissociate, you get this, 2 of those. So this number here that you get from here would be here. So the concentration of calcium hydroxide would be half of whatever you got up there. Hopefully that helps you with that one. This one, you got to change your pH to a POH and then plug it in the formula. Then the last question, pH of 2.17. 7 is neutral. Anything close to 0, this side is acidic. And anything above 7 is basic. So if you're at 2.17, it's got to be in the acidic part.